Okay babes, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be styling my pixie cut. I'm by no means a hairstylist, but I had somewhere to go today. My hair needs a perm, my hair needs a good wash, and I didn't have time for any of that, but I just tried to kind of set it overnight with a little bit of mousse. Now, I have two different types of irons, so two different inches. I'll put all the details in the description box. And what I'm doing is going in with the smaller iron for the back because it's obviously shorter. And then when I get to the longer lengths, I switched to the bigger iron. So what I'm going for is just more like put together look, nothing too defined. I'm not looking for the curls to be too stiff or anything like that. But as I said before, my hair wasn't all the way clean, and so it's a little bit more crunchy than I would like it to be. But I'm just trying to show you guys that you can style your hair when you can't make it to the salon and you have somewhere to go. So I'm just going in again with my iron and switching that back and forth depending on the length and the section of the hair that I am curling. And I'm just trying to curl downwards for the back and then up at the top. I tried to curl some towards my face, some give more of a curly vibe at the top. I don't know if I'm explaining this correctly, but just follow along to see that there's actually no real rhyme or rhythm. I'm just trying not to make it too uniform. I'm just trying not to make it like too perfect, because I will eventually comb these out and make it look a lot more effortless. So as I said before, I'm just trying to put some of the curls more towards my face so I can frame my face a little bit more. And then at the back, it's literally just curling that downwards.
Can't get enough, baby, so come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. All of your love. Won't you hold me like I'm yours, show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. All of your love. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now, show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby, so come give me love. You know you're mine, baby, so come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe, so come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. All of your love. Won't you hold me like I'm yours, show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. All of your love. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now, show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. All of your love. Yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby, so come give me love. You know you're mine, baby.
So once I have the curls kind of the way I want it, I go in with a little bit of the foam wrap lotion to just set the back again, because as I said, I want the back to be a little more flat. I cannot see the back of my head, so it just makes life a lot easier to just, you know, go with a flat look for the back and then having the curls at the front. So I'm just using the mousse, and then I'm gonna wrap this with my Wrap It papers. You can find these on Amazon. I will link them down below as well. And I tie it with that because it kind of helps with it not getting too crunchy or anything like that. And then once it is, you know, it has been set for a little bit, I will take that off once I'm fully dressed and just use a wide tooth comb to make the curls look a lot less stiff and uniform. Again, I wasn't going for a uniform look, but I wanted to look a little bit put together. So I feel like this style is very beginner friendly because you don't have to have any real pixie cut skill, but just having the right tools, the right irons, the right combs, and a foam wrap lotion is your best friend when you have a pixie cut. And that is it. I really hope you guys enjoy this kind of content. Don't forget to like the video, comment, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now? Show me what it's about.